Hey there, my name is Kurt, and I will be your instructor for Practical Color Theory for Digital Artists, I think is what I have decided to call this. Hopefully I don't change my mind before I put this online. So thank you so much for signing up. And practical is the key word there. I chose that word for a reason because if you guys have signed up for this course, I'm guessing you've probably looked for other color theory resources as well, and it's tough to find good stuff because I've looked for my own purposes. Look on YouTube and blog posts, and it's all the same stuff. It's the color wheel. It's here's the primaries and the secondaries and warm and cool and complementary color schemes and all that stuff. And you learn a lot of terminology, and you can even define, okay, red's a warm color, blue's a cool color, or whatever. And then you start to apply it to your work, and it's like, okay, I know terms, but I don't know how to make this work for myself. So that practical part is what I want to hopefully get across in this course. And we'll learn the academic stuff. You kind of have to. You have to learn all the terminology, and we'll cover that stuff too. But I want to cover that stuff and then also put it into some artwork and play around with it and show what actually works and what doesn't, and why certain colors are called passive and why some are called aggressive or active, passive, active, whatever it is. Anyway, so thank you so much for signing up. Looking forward to teaching you all about this stuff. So let's get started.